Oh, hello. There you are. I know what you're thinking. Sir Ricky Bobby, you got a haircut and became hot. But it's not Sir Ricky Bobby. It's me. It's son of a Rick. Now, you're wondering, what are you doing in this place? Why aren't you at the parlor? Why aren't you at the bar? Well, I hate to admit, but I can't go there. I have COVID. That's right, despite all the lessons and all the warnings, I got the vid. And I can't be in the parlor right now, but I test tomorrow. And if it comes back negative, I'll be there. So even though I can't be in the parlor today, today's victory shot will be Parlor Gin. This one's for you, Sir Rick. Yep, that's gonna give me heartburn. You know, to me, this just proves anyone can get the disease. See, we've warned you about it on the channel before.
COVID-19, that is what you gave to me. COVID-19, that is what you gave to me.
You realize this is the first time in my life that being positive has been frowned upon. It's almost as if my outward positivity has driven me into isolation. That's why my only friend is right here. Today I'm mixing Son of a Rick's Quarantini. Let's whip one up. We start this Quarantini with ice. Now I'm not Sir Ricky Bobby, so I don't have specialized or Sir Ricky Bobby's famous magic ice balls. But what I do have are a specific set of skills, namely the freezer. Now it's time to get filthy. No, mother, it's not like that. Don't worry. It's just olive brine. Then add 4 ounces of a doctor-prescribed medicine. But first, we gotta have ourselves a shot. Bottoms up. The monkey's off my back now. Looking at you, Sir Rick. That's 2. And that's 4. Quattro. Then just for kicks, let's add an ounce of vermouth. Now, if that just doesn't remind you of times when you didn't have COVID, there's something wrong with you. Let's mix it up. Come on. There we go. Then strain in your favorite container for imbibing. Then garnish with an olive and an alcoholic pickle. That's right, an alcoholic pickle. If only Sir Rick could be here to see this. This is Son of a Rick's Quarantini, proving I can still have a good time without the old man. But we wish he was here. Okay, this is going to be short and sweet, so pay attention. Today's word of wisdom is don't. Don't get COVID, you idiot. Yep, that's going to give me heartburn. I'm not even joking. I think that will.